What's up, dude? How you doing?
Hey, what's up, man? Dylan.
AJ, nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you.
It's hard to know who's who with the helmet on.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, I'm Shreddy. That's me.
I'm Saronster.
I'm Saron. Yeah.
No one knows who right? Well, we do. I know.
Is this just vinyl?
Yeah, sometimes we wish we didn't have the stickers on it, because, like,
Oh, yeah.
stuff in, like, weird areas, I'm like, cool, like, you know exactly what's in here.
Yeah.
So that's, like, the only thing that we kind of
P51 plumbing.
I know, right? Just put another sticker on top, like a little, like, magnet.
Yeah, put a magnet sticker right there.
But plumbing implies copper. So maybe not. Maybe you don't want to be a plumbing.
P51.
Be like a junk removal service.
Junk removal.
Yeah.
Eco is just your pedal assist.
Oh,
So
okay.
you're on zero pedal
So the
assist.
throttle's where I want it to be?
Yeah. So
Okay.
zero is going to be all throttle.
Okay.
Do you want to use pedal assist at all?
No, I haven't used pedals since my pedal bike.
Okay, so I always keep it on 0 too.
And which one is this?
That's a Gen 3.
A Gen 3?
That's a Gen 3 Bullet.
So that's the newest one, huh?
Yeah, this is the newest one. It's the prototype of the newest one, but everything's the same.
Yeah.
We just sold out of the new one so fast that we don't even have any for ourselves.
Oh, so it's out already?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Why P51? Where'd you come up with that name?
We used bullet bikes, and P51 was kind of like the era. So, like, we had the pinup girl, which we don't have any stickers of it on any of these.
Uh-huh.
We made the pinup girl, we were just customizing bikes. And it was kind of like the era of, like, World War II, and that's where, like, the P51, like, I mean, it was a bunch of engineers got together and just made a better plan.
Oh, yeah.
And so we just felt like we did that in the e-bike industry. Like, there was just nothing that we wanted, so we made it ourselves.
What's happening? Street legal e-bike law abiders? What's happening? What's happening, Class 2 enjoyers? Class 2 e-bike enjoyers? We outside. We just left the P51 warehouse. We're on a P51, Gen 3, aka the street legal Suron. We got pedals. We're with Kevin, the owner of P51. We got Shreddy McSkate. We got Chris Shaver. And we got Harrison from Handleworks. And we are going to go shred the P51 and maybe get a ride on the new bike, the Ace. The voltage has been turned up on this bike. I think he said 48 volts. Okay. We're chilling around 30. .31 mph. We're on our way to some dirt trails. But riding this bike so far, I've noticed that the suspension is amazing. Very squishy. We'll see how it feels off-road. And the brakes, stock brakes are incredible too. Okay.
Yeah, dude, that was a lot of fun. That was super fun. I was good at that. Oh, cool. Dylan, you left your bag here.
It's a volleyball net. Gotta stop and look at the trash, guys. Whoa, I was just I was just breaking traction right there. These guys don't understand the high quality trash that is in Southern California. Sometimes, you know, they say stop and smell the roses. Stop and examine the little dumpster nuggets. Chris, no pedaling. What are you trying to do, get exercise or something? E-bike pedals are for aesthetics and compliance. E-bike pedals are for compliance, we all know that.
I want to see him hit it. Oh my god.
But yeah, so if like the sun sets, you have it on there. Just like in the car.
That's so fucking
You want that on? I mean, you were all telling me at 30 amps.
Back to 100. Hey! You almost cleared that one.
I think I actually cleared it that time.
You guys ready? We'll hit the next spot.
Yeah, yeah. That first jump was so scary.
Did you get me? Good?
I followed right behind you, yeah, I got
Oh, I think I actually cleared it that time.
it. You cleared it, yeah, you cleared it.
Ready?
Dude, these things are senders.
What's that?
These are senders.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shreddy. Good job, dude.
God damn it, Harrison. Let me go back. You're filling in with more burnout. Don't do it again, Eddie.
Disrespectful. E-bike gang. Yeah. This little bike is actually kind of impressing me. Oh. Whoa, the ocean, dude. Yeah, this little bike is actually pretty stellar. I was a little nervous to hit that jump. Not that it was a crazy jump, but felt pretty comfortable in the air. Is this gonna get up this? Oh my god. Not even pedaling. Wow. That is impressive for a street legal e-bike. Oh, there's some jumps. Oh, there's a whole slew of them. Whoa, I'm not hitting that.
Every time it always changes. Yeah. Fucking with shovels will change everything. What do you think? Is this your first time riding a P51?
Yeah, off-road.
Yeah?
I rode one at the expo like years ago.
Oh, did you? Oh,
Yeah, but yeah, they're great off-road. Like,
Yeah.
it's cool to have something street legal and that sends it off-road.
Yeah. Dude, I didn't know Super 73 made their own gloves.
Oh no, that's a
Oh yeah, these are actually 100%, but they just threw a Super 73 logo on them. I have a bunch of Super 73 like credit
Yeah.
for selling bikes for them.
Yeah.
So like, luckily they sell shit like helmets, so it's like I have like
sick.
infinite Super 73 money.
Yeah, with 100%.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even know they partnered with 100%. Nice.
What do you think so far of like that one?
It's nice, man. It feels good off road, and it felt good in the air. You know, sometimes hub motorbikes like you're a little imbalanced in the air.
Weird, like, weight,
Yeah, but it feels confident.
that one's gonna feel good too because the battery on the down tube. So better
Yeah, dude, they're not.
weight distribution.
There's also.
All right, this is the P51 Bullet. This is the one that just came out, or the Ace. This is the Ace. What's different about this one?
Same all internals, just different, different frame.
Yeah.
Really. And I think.
Oh, and the thing's in here.
Is that one's pushing the same amount of power?
Yep. Yeah, it's 10 pounds lighter, pushing the same amount of power.
Oh, really?
Pushing 40 here.
And you can fit 2 people on there.
What's that?
You could fit 2 people on there.
Oh yeah, on this one? Sure.
Ooh. Nailed my goggles. That was a nice little section of speed.
I know, that spot's so fun. That little rock though, it's weird someone's gonna clip a pedal on it.
Your boy ran into a tree.
Did you hit a tree?
Not like a tree, but he went in through the bushes and went through it.
Dude, this thing rips. It's like a fat tire mountain bike. It's solid too. It's not like making weird noises, you know. No disrespect to other brands that are more popular, but this, like, it just feels solid. It just does feel like a slow Sur-Ron. Whoa! Ouch. Sharp. Sharp plant life. That's nature's way of saying, don't ride an e-bike through here, please. This is where I live. Dude, this trail is insane. These trails are fun.
Dude, it's so sick back here. And this, like, you can get lost just
Wow,
ripping
that's
so many trails.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't have the speed and torque of a Sur-Ron, obviously, but it does feel just as solid as a dirt bike and lighter. Oh, whoa. Wow. What's up with all that water? Why is there so much water right there?
Oh, this is where you take all your pictures.
I'll take some of them.
Dude, this bike is fun. Kind of wish it had a twist throttle. I've never seen a twist throttle on a pedal bike though before. Not one from factory. Whoa. All right, guys. That is the P51. Very cool bike. Not affiliated with these guys at all. I just tagged along with Shreddy, who is apparently a partner already. If I had to pick between this and a Super 73, I would probably get this bike. I'm not sure the price. I'll throw it up on the screen. But visually and quality-wise, oh, sick. Just the way it feels off-road, I would totally get one of these if they existed back when I bought my Super. Again, I don't have promo codes or anything, so if this video did inspire you to purchase one of these, go ahead and just leave a little comment at checkout that says Loophole Culture Channel inspired me to buy one of these. Support your local Loophole. Good enough, isn't it? Oh, huge shout out to Kevin for giving us a tour and letting us ride these bikes. Chase your dreams. Peace.
Dylan, he is, I think his brain is getting fried because he's van life. You okay, man? You getting cooked